Resiban yung maigi eh. Violation na nga kay Jem kanina, oh. Sinasa, ikaw, fail. Sige. Huwag mo ibigay ng mataas na mataas kay fail kasi mabagal tumalon. Mataas pero mabagal na aabot ng blocker eh. Hayaan mo maganon lang yung bola, oh. Ha? Pag may chance, si Gretchen, running ulit sa likod.
Coach Roger wants to see that running attack from Gretchen Ho. And talking about Kainglet, praising her on her vertical, but slow on her approach is what he says.
That's right. So the set should not be too high, as what Coach Roger wants for Kainglet.
And she's blocked there by UST's blocking has been very, very effective. 12-8 now, you're right. There's a little bit of a rally here for UST. Let's see if Ateneo can put a stop to it now. Quick.
That's outside.
By Ortiz. Lumabas. Lucky for Ateneo there.
Yeah.
Because that could not be had. Ang bilis ng bola. No chance to defend that ball. Fortunately for Ateneo, it sailed outside. 9-12. They need to win this fourth set. Vallejo. Oh, too much for Hall.
Yes.
Also another strategic play there. You always like to, if you can, find the player who just got done with a serve because they're just getting to their position. That is dug there by Caballero. Ball right back at Ateneo's court. She goes up one more time. And again, the blocking. It's been the blocking of UST that's been working for them, getting them this 5-point lead here in this fourth set.
Single block from Dimaculangan against Kainglet.
Besides the blocking that's working for UST, what's going wrong on the side of Ateneo, Ian?
Ateneo has become too predictable in their offense. And look at that. Still, their floor defense over at that end zone. Still lacking. Kanina pa yan. And the hits of USC aren't actually that strong, but they're just placing them right.
You could almost feel it. There's a lot more movement, a lot more talking, communication on the side of Ateneo in the third set. And it doesn't seem to be there now. 4 hits from Ateneo.
Right, 4 touches this time called on Ateneo. And USC has definitely pulled away here in the fourth.
69 is the count. We'll be back for more of this fourth set. And Venus Bernal of USC enjoying the action from courtside here, as well as the rest of the fans of USC. So many in yellow, but also a lot in the audience in their blue. So we have a lot of it's family day after all. A lot of families coming out and staunch supporters from both sides enjoying the action here at the arena in San Juan. This is Shikiro Puno with Ian Laurel bringing you the action courtside. This is set number 4. And USC pulling away already. 69 is the count as you see on your screens. Ateneo needs to regroup and catch up. They need to win this fourth set to stay in this match. They fought really hard the first 3 sets. It has been an even 3 sets. 21-25, 25-22, or 27-25. That one went really down the wire. Getting a point there, going deep, and even the defensive specialist of USD, Del Rosario, couldn't keep that one in play.
Wow.
Di ba kulangan pero nabasa. Kimpo. Good thinking by Kimpo there to keep it in play. Bernice Ko, dinking the ball. Nice coverage by Gabriel. Ay!
Herbacio.
Galing ano, pag gano'n lang yung bola, tapos biglang papatayin ni Herbacio.
Look at Herbacio, load up for this one.
Boom. And that's something that Ateneo needs right now, really. And they need to amass the points and not make service errors.
Not a good time for that from Kainglet.
5-point lead for UST. And they also lead the sets 2-1. Stuffed by Ortiz there. Solid.
Ortiz has definitely gotten the number of Bea Pascual since the first set. So, I give it to him.
Silipin mo muna yung blocker mo. Kitang, papasok ka pa lang kasi doon sa bola. Nakaharap ka na kaagad kung saan mo dadalhin eh. Kung gano'n kagitna ka, hindi alam ng blocker kung saan mo dadalhin. Diba? Ay, Jem, discarding maigi. Ang blocker niya, malalaki. Saan siya, di ba? Pag pumalo ka, at na-corner, dito mo dalhin ng bola sa may antena. Para ang palo mo papunta doon sa zone 1. Pacheck doon. Huwag mo isisiksik doon sa loob. Kasi dalawang malaki yung blocker mo eh. Ha? Isipan nyo dito sa likod, ha?
12-18. Kaya pa naman.
Oh yeah, definitely. They're down by just 6. And how many times have we seen it happen, you know? These two teams going at it, and earlier in the set, Ateneo was down by 8 and managed to bring it down to 1.
But yeah, and the way they've been playing this all game long, all day long. Hindi naman talaga bumibitaw.
Yes.
You look back at the way the first 3 sets went down, wala naman lumamang ng kalakihan. They were all very closely contested sets. And Coach Roger also reminding Jam to just use her instincts.
Yes.
Also, yung diskarte niya.
Diskarte, very important for Ateneo.
Lalo na kung ganyan kalalaki yung mga blocker.
Oh yeah.
Kabila.
Dapat nababasa ng setter yan. And yun yung sinabi ni Coach Roger. Don't give it to the tall blockers.
Whoop. Kakabanggaan dito on UST side. Bernice Go is dug by Kainglet there. Good effort. Hervasio tried to kill it. Caballero gets it up. Maizo from behind the attack line blocked.
One more time.
Sends it over. Ateneo will set up. Hervasio dinks it. No! Maizo and Ortiz are right there. Gonzalez will come back in for Ortiz.
Abot na
Two
abot eh.
setters.
Abot na abot ni Maizo with her left hand.
2 setters on the court now for UST.
Again.
Oh, payong na naman.
From Maizo again. An offensive block from Maizo.
This is a scary front line for UST. And Ateneo, I'm sure, knows that. You can almost feel it. You know, when you have Manse and Maizo up there, just towering over
Yes.
everybody. Di makulangan going for Bernice Go. Off the block. Ball still good. Ateneo will set up. Herrera looking for Acevedo there, who's been quiet. Yes, she gets a point off the block. 15-20. Lady Eagles still definitely in there. Bea Pascual. Back set. Maizo. Wow, this time the blocking of Hervasio.
Yes.
And number 3 of Ateneo, Gretchen Ho. Quick! Great play. Maizo's back.
That's right. Great change-up from Di Maculangan. Double quick play coming from UST, and Maizo had a lot of time to decide where she wanted to bring that ball.
And Di Maculangan's just having a field day now. She's got Caballero, Maizo, and Manse at the front. Kahit sino dyan.
Pwede. And Acevedo.
Dalawa na yun ah.
Yes, dalawa na. Targeting Caballero. Caballero